Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply Grubhub Delivery Driver. First, download the Grubhub for Drivers app or visit driver.grubhub.com. Create an account and enter your personal details. Next, complete the short questionnaire and submit the required information. You'll then need to pass a background check. Once approved, get your delivery gear ready and sign in to the app. The approval process usually takes a few days, depending on demand in your area. And that's it. That's how to apply Grubhub Delivery Driver. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.